Hello everyone, this is Aviation 349 PTFS. Today, I bought two new model aircrafts. Here they are. I got the KLM Boeing 747-400 from Gemini Jets. And here, I got the Airbus Beluga of the Airbus A300-600ST from Darren's postage stamp. Yep. Here it is. Now, let's get started to unbox. Also, I'm in the car. Don't worry about that. Now, starting off with the Airbus Beluga. Here it is. Let's open that. It's gonna be hard to open this now. There we go. And now let's put that on the side. Here it is. Here's the Beluga. And let's see. Now look at this. It's beautiful. I think it doesn't open that. Nah, it can't open. Being a beautiful aircraft. Look at that. Huh. The two. The old. Yeah. Now. Let's put that off the side. Now here we have the KLM 747 from Gemini Jets. So yeah, let's unbox it. Here it is. This box on the other side. Now here we go. Here we have a new KLM. Okay. And then take this off of this. Put the plane over. That box out of the way. Now here we have it. There we go. Here we got the new KLM 747. Here's the top right here. That white part is the Wi-Fi router. The bottom, the landing gear. Also, I don't know why is this moving. I don't know if it's part of the 747, but if it is, I'm gonna glue it. If it's not, glue it in. Now, here's the good part. The KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, the European and the Netherlands, the BFTA, the Flying Dutchman. Okay, so that will be it. Goodbye and subscribe.